Hey everybody, Brian here for quantlabs.net. Just wanted to give you a review of Visual Studio for Linux. So as you can see, I'm running Ubuntu 14.04, current version of Ubuntu. Here we are in the Microsoft page to download the version of Linux. The download works, no problem, but this thing is not Studio, it's VS Code. I don't know what that means, but I'm going to tell you something. This is a big disappointment. For example, we've got the Visual Studio running here, and as far as I can tell, it is only available for modern web languages. So what I try to do is try to import the C++ project into it. I don't even know if this thing supports C++. Apparently it does somewhere in here, 30 languages, somewhere it explains it, so I was assuming that would work. But let me give you just a snapshot of this thing. This is nowhere as intuitive as this is for Windows, and I'm going to tell you something. This is probably the last chance that Microsoft has for me to work within their developer tools on Linux. As I've already mentioned numerous times, I'm bailing Windows once and for all just due to security and lagging and blah blah blah. So I thought I'll give Visual Studio a shot for both C and C++ for Linux. This does not appear to work. So here we are. I'm looking at the menuing on this thing, and I'm going to tell you something. It's like there's no import as you get with the Studio to make it very intuitive. There's no solution file. I don't expect that. But at least an import where you can import something. Like I can open the folder, but from there I have no idea where to go. You know, there's a simulation on Run It. It's a complete mess. And if you're a Windows user for Visual Studio, you will probably not end up using this because it's just not nor as intuitive as they try to be. I think they try to be too cool, but they've left out the people that are used to how Visual Studio works for Windows. This is a complete mess. I have nowhere to go from here, nor do I care because I'm not going to waste my time. But I just thought I'd put this review out there for you. Maybe someone at Microsoft might see this. But you know what? It's going to be too late anyways. I'm going to dump this Visual Studio and move on to better IDEs specific for Linux. I'm not sure which that'll be, but I'll put up a video and let you know what I think the standard is and what looks good. But as far as I can tell, VS Code from Microsoft for Linux is a complete mess unless you're working with probably a web language. Talk to you later.